Hello student, today we learn here capacity. This is a first standard maths. Capacity, where we used a measurement of capacity, how to where used a water, oil, petrol, rocket, that one. How to measure in liter, how to measure in liter. There you used the capacity, you call that one capacity, and that one, which sign used a liter, which sign used there, liter. See, observe this picture. Here is bucket and bottle. Bucket is more hold the water of capacity, and this bottle can hold less water than the bucket. It has a less capacity of bucket, means here more holder and here less holder. All of you understand? See this one. Here is three sugar containers. Okay, three sugar containers, where which is have highest capacity, which is have smallest capacity, which is have middle capacity. See, this one big, then this one, and then this one small. Small, big, biggest, bigger, big. What I say, understand? ये है बहुत बड़ा है, इससे छोटा ये है, और बहुत छोटा ये है. तो फिर see here, this one is have biggest capacity या highest capacity. This one have smallest, this container have is the smallest, so this one have lowest capacity, and this one is a middle, so this one have middle capacity. All of you understand? Okay. Exercise, open your textbook. Exercise, which vehicle can carry the more numbers of passenger? Number vehicle 1, 2, 3, lowest capacity to the highest capacity, lowest to highest. See, this is a auto rickshaw, this one is a car, and this one is a bus. Auto rickshaw, how many passengers sit? In the back side only 3 members and driver 1, means 4. In the car back side 3 are 4, and front side 2, means 5. So right there, this one 1, this one small, this one middle, and this one is a big. Bus have how many passengers there sit? 30, 40. Yeah, so this one have highest capacity, this one has a lowest capacity, and this one have a middle capacity. All of you understand? Now question number 2. Number the object 1, 2, 3 showing capacity, list to most. List to most. First one, bowls are there. First one, bowls are there, small. This is a lowest capacity, this one middle, and this one is a biggest, highest capacity. So right there, lowest 1, middle 2, and biggest 3. Right there number. Next one, what? Bottles are there. There is a bottles. This one big, this one middle, this one a smallest. So smallest have least capacity, second one middle capacity, and big one they have highest capacity. C, D, C. Here is tub. This is a big tub, middle tub, small tub. This means a least capacity, middle capacity, highest capacity. Spoons have big, least, middle. So small have least capacity, middle have middle capacity, and big have highest capacity. Understand? Actually capacity used there. What do you measure in the capacity? Oil, water, petrol, diesel, rocket, that one used in the capacity, in the how to measure in the liter, milliliter. Okay, but this is a normal things. Next year we learn that. Okay, thank you. Next one, time. Time means what? All of you know time. In your house, your grandmother, grandfather ask you na, what is time there? See there, where you see in the watch. The activity that happens before accepted activities is called earlier. Means Sonu packs school bag earlier, Sonu goes to school later. Means which is the first thing you do, then second one thing, then third one thing. How to do number wise? Means in the morning you wake up in the morning, then you do the brush, you take a bath, then you pray the God, then you drink a milk. Okay, then you eat the breakfast, then you dress up in the school dress up, then you come to the school by bus. But when you come to the school, first what you do, you pack your bag, pack your school bag, tiffins, which is earlier and which is a later. All of you understand? Now see, look the activity and take the with picture to show what Minal does. See, after getting up, when you wake up in the morning, that time you eat first breakfast and then first do the brush, na. Okay, after coming home from school, when you come to the house after school, that time what you do? First, when you go to the home, you sleep there, yes, study there, na. So tick there, study. Before going to school, when you go to the school, that time what you do? You do the play. Yeah, pack your bag, na. Before going to sleep, what you do? You meet your mother and say good night. Yeah, you call up your friend, meet your mother, na. So tick there, meet your mother. All of you understand how to do? Now see here. Numbers the picture 1 to 6. Understand the correct of activities. Pinky's mother. Pinky's mother. See. First one picture, what they say? She go to the office. She wake up. She purchase there some vegetables. She takes study. She do the work in the kitchen and she watch there the TV. When the morning start, that time first what she do? She wake up. Okay, then She go to the market. She purchase the vegetables. Then she do the some vegetable lunch. Okay. Then she watch the TV, and in the evening she take a study. All of you understand? Write their numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All of you understand? Okay. Next one, look at picture, write their day or night. When you go to the school, in the day and night, day. When we start see, in the day and night, in the night. And when you play in the night or day, right there, day. Okay. All of you understand? Today's homework, page number 78, 79, 80 completed there. Okay. Thank you.